Let's start. Today's topic is star and the solar system. The moon. The moon is the only nature satellite of the earth and the fifth largest moon in the solar system. It is the largest nature satellite of the planet in the solar system. The moon has a solid iron-rich inner core with the radius of 240 km and fluid outer core primarily made of liquid iron with the radius of rough 300 km. On July 21, 1969, the aeronautical Neil Armstrong landed on the moon for the first time. Chandrayaan-1 launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation October 2008 spacecraft using the PSLV-XL rocket. Moon does not produce its own light, whereas the sun and other stars do. We see the moon because the sunlight falling on it is reflected toward us. Therefore, see only the part of the moon from which the light of the sun is reflected towards us. Size of the moon are depend on the reflective position of sun, moon, and the earth. The illuminated part of the moon visible from the earth increase each day after the new moon day. After the full moon day, the sunlight part of moon visible from the earth decrease the size vary every day. The star is the massive luminous sphere of the plasma held together by its own gravity. The nearest star of the Earth is Sun, which is the source of the most of the planet's energy. The Sun is the nearly 150 million away from the Earth. The next nearest star, Alpha Centauri, distance was 4.3 light year. Such large distance is expressed in other unit known as light year. It is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. The star's life begins with the gravitational collapse and the gaseous nebulous of material composed primarily of hydrogen, along with the human and the trace amount of the heavy eliminate. Stars are the born from nebula and cloud formed by the space. They are made up of gases and dust. The star's colors tell us about the hot or cold it is. The bluish star and hottest star, the reddest star is the coldest, but they are still very hot. Constellation. The star forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called constellation. Such most famous constellations are Great Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia, Leo Major, and Polestar. The solar system. The solar system is the sun and the bodies that orbit the sun. These are the planetary system of the 8 planets and the various secondary bodies, dwarfs, the planet, and the small solar system objects that orbit the sun directly. The sun. The sun is the star of the center of the solar system. It is the almost perfectly spherical and consists of the hot plasma interwoven with the magnetic field. There is the photoplasmic composition is hydrogen with its 73.46. Mercury or Buddha. Mercury is the smallest and closest of the sun of the 8 planets in the solar system, with the orbit period of about 88 Earth days. Its atmosphere main contain R42 monocular oxygen, 29.0 sodium, 22.0 hydrogen. A NASA mission of Mercury named Messenger was launched on August 3, 2004 from the CCAFS aboard a Boeing Delta II rocket. Venus or Shukra. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting every 224.7 Earth days. It has no nature satellite. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is the trinary planet and sometimes called Earth's sister planet because of the similar size, gravity, and bulk combination. Venus was known as the Asheron, a combination both as the morning star and the evening star, names the reflect of early understanding that these were two separate objects. Earth or Prithvi. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the densest and the fifth largest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the solar system's 4 terrestrial planets. It is sometimes referred to as a world or the blue planet. The shape of the Earth approximately a oblique pod, a sphere flattened along the axis of the pole to pole such that there is a bridge around the export. Earth have only the satellite. Only Earth is the in the solar system on which a life is exists. Mars or Mangal. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Named after Rome, god of war. It is often described as a red planet because its iron oxide planet of its surface given its reddish appearance. The Mars orbit mission informational called Mangalyaan is the Mars orbit launched by the Earth orbit on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organisation. The current understanding of planetary habitability to develop the sunset life favorable planets that have surface. Jupiter or Brihaspati. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in solar system. It is the gas giant and the mass 1,000 of the Sun, but the 2.5 times of the mass of all other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter has 67 natural satellites. This planet dwarfs Earth with the diameter 11 times as great. Jupiter is thought to consist of dense core with the mixture of elements of surrounding layer of liquid metallic hydrogen and some helium and an outer layer predominantly of molecular hydrogen. Saturn or Sunny. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter, named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn is the gas giant with the average radius about 9 times that the Earth. Saturn is the least 150 moons and moon late 53 which have Roman names. Saturn is probably best known as the system of planetary rings and makes the visible unique. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is a similar to composition of Neptune and the both are the different chemical composition than the larger gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Astronomers sometimes place them into a separate category called ice giant. Uranus' atmosphere also similar to Jupiter and Saturn. Its primary composition of hydrogen and helium contains more acids such as water, ammonia and methane along with the traces of hydrocarbons. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet by diameter and the third largest by mass. Among the gaseous planets in the solar system, Neptune is the most dense. Some other members of solar system: asteroids, comets, meteoroids and meteorites. Asteroids. Asteroids are the minor planets, especially those of the inner solar system. The larger ones are also called the planetoids. These terms have historically been applied to an astronomical object orbits the Sun that didn't show the disk of the planet and was not observed on the characteristics of the active comet. But the minor planets in the outer solar system were discovered. These volate-based surfaces were found on respectable comets more closely, and so were often distinguished the traditional. The majority of known as asteroid orbit within the asteroid belt between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, generally relative to historicity of orbit. This belt is known as asteroid to contain between 1.1 and 1.9 million asteroids or larger than 1 kilometer in diameter. Comet. Comet is an icy small solar system body that when passing close the sun heating up the being the out gas displaying a visible atmosphere or coma, and sometimes also tails. This phenomena are due to a effect of solar radiation or solar wind up to a nucleus of the comet. Meteors and meteors. The meteors is a smaller rocky and metallic body travels through space. Meteors are basically smaller than asteroids. The range of the size of small grain of 1 meter wide object. Most are fragments from comet and asteroid, while others are the considered impact debris ejected from the bodies such as Moon and Mars. Around 15,000 tons of meteors and meteoroids are the different form of space dust and the Earth's atmosphere each year. The meteoroids are the shooting star is the visible streak from light from the meteoroid or meteoroid hitting and glowing from entering the Earth's atmosphere as it sheds growing material in its wake. Artificial satellite. A satellite is an artificial object which has been interviewed placed into orbit. Such objects are sometimes called artificial satellites to designate them from nature satellites such as Moon. The world's first satellite, the Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Since then, thousands of satellites have been launched into orbit around the Earth. Satellites are used from the large number of purposes. Common types include military and civilian Earth observation satellite, communication satellite, navigation satellite, weather satellite, and research satellite. Space station and the human spacecraft orbits are also satellites. About 66,000 satellites has been launched. International Space Station. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was India's first satellite named after the great Indian astronomer or the some name. India has launched 73 Indian satellites. Thank you.